An agent is an automated software component that performs machine learning so you don't have to. Agents watch live equipment feeds, looking for specific patterns in data that show both normal and failure behaviors. They send notification alerts when changes in these specific behavior patterns occur. With the simple click of a button, an Aspen Mtell proprietary software wizard amalgamates multiple historical data trends over several years into one easy-to-understand chart, showing the probability of failure at every point in time. This chart is called a probability waveform. The wizard separates the chart into 4 pattern categories. Offline, indicating the equipment is shut down or not active. Failure, where changes in behavior lead up to a recorded event. Unexpected, changes in behavior not linked to a recorded event. And normal, where behavior coasts very close to 0 probability of failure. First, the wizard removes all offline activity. Then, the wizard looks for failure signatures, perceived as multivariate and temporal changes in behavior patterns that humans cannot see, leading up to a recorded work order event. The wizard creates a separate failure agent for each unique failure event that occurred. With a little human input, any remaining spikes and unexpected deviations from normal behavior can be categorized and then removed for treatment as deviations showing any new, normal changes in manufacturing process operations, or hidden failures showing actual degradation and failure. Any deviations from normal that cannot be identified are removed to keep the normal patterns precise. The wizard then creates hidden failure agents to watch for those specific hidden patterns that indicate unrecorded potential failures. Once offline activity, labeled failures, hidden failures, and deviations are removed, the purest form of normal behavior is all that remains. This includes all variations of normal for seasonal conditions, operating campaigns, batches, startups, shutdowns, etc. From this remaining data, the wizard creates an anomaly agent to very accurately detect and alert any changes from normal behavior. Once all the agents have been generated for a piece of equipment, they can be fine-tuned to offer the best results for prescriptive maintenance. Once agents have been trained from historical data, they are deployed to monitor live equipment feeds. An anomaly agent detects and labels all deviations from normal behavior as anomalies. If an anomaly does not match the signature of a deployed failure agent, the anomaly agent triggers an alert, requesting an inspection to determine the cause. The result of the inspection will categorize the anomaly as either a new variation of normal or a new, never-seen-before failure pattern. If categorized as a new normal, action requires the pattern be added to the baseline of the anomaly agent. The agent will adjust automatically to the behavioral change, and no future false alerts will occur for this pattern. If categorized as a new failure, action requires immediately creating a new failure agent. If the behavior occurs again in the future, the failure agent will ensure it is recognized earlier and with greater accuracy. Now, with each new behavior that occurs, equipment increases its protection against breakdowns, safeguarding not only the equipment, but people and the environment. All with the simple click of a button.